All right. Okay. So anyhow, it's a recorded session, guys. Okay. So whoever joined late, no problem. We'll share the demo recorded link. All right. So may I know, first of all, how many of you looking for a job change, or how many of you really want to kickstart your career now, or how many of you recent passed outs, or how many of you already working on your path? Can you please raise your hands? Okay. Kalyani, Abdul. So you have that React option, right? So there, you can raise your hand, guys. All right. Okay. Great. Thanks for responding. Right. So first, let me introduce you all myself. Okay. So myself, Raghava Tadikonda, born and brought up from Vijayawada, got settled down in Hyderabad. I do have 13 plus years of experience in IT industry. My highest qualification is MCA, passed out in the year 2014. So started career with Capgemini as a Java developer at Bangalore location. After 3 plus years of experience in Java, I got opportunity to learn this RPA UiPath. Am I audible, right, everyone? Is it clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
Raghav.
Raghav.
Yes,
You are.
Raghava. You're audible.
Right. Okay, so after that, I got the opportunity to learn this RPA UiPath tool, and then I switched to KPIT Technologies in Bangalore. It's an automotive company. After that, I moved to Pune. There I worked with Birlasoft, and then I back to Hyderabad and joined here in Infosys. After that, worked with Signity Technologies, and then recently Coforge got acquired with Signity. So I'm into part of Coforge Technologies as a technical lead, and I'm into even part of Center of Excellence team. Um, Along with this professional experience from last 8 plus years, I'm giving these trainings on RPA UiPath. From last 6 to 7 plus batches, along with UiPath, even I'm covering Microsoft Power Automation Cloud and Power Automation Desktop as well. Because nowadays, if you know only UiPath, we may not able to, eligible or survive for the at least to giving the interview purpose. So at least along with RPA UiPath tool, other than that, what else do you know they're asking in interview? That's the reason we are covering all together: UiPath, Microsoft Power Automation Cloud, and Power Automation Desktop. Okay. Right. So in this training experience, like I have got like many opportunities in terms of giving the personal trainings, individual trainings, corporate trainings, college trainings, collaborated with ICT Academy, and got opportunity to train the college students at Kammam, Priyadarshini College at Bangalore, Karnataka, Shivamogga, PES College, and corporate trainings. Got opportunity to train with a company called Roche. So I've been travel to Singapore and Malaysia, and even in here also online completely from last 8 places. I have trained for almost more than uh, 6 to 7 thousand plus people, and under the ICT Academy for Tamil Nadu government college students trained for more than 17,000 plus students. So these are all my teaching corporate and professional experiences. So on top of all this, UiPath has recognized these teaching efforts, and they have rewarded me with official UiPath certified trainer. So currently, I'm the UiPath certified trainer from all over the Andhra and Telangana. So it's a limited, certified trainer batch across the globe, which has been rewarded by the UiPath. So this training program completely will be 45 days. It's completely online program, and everyday class will be morning from 7:30 to 9:30 a.m. IST. Today and tomorrow it will be completely free demo sessions. Okay, so today 8 to 10 a.m., tomorrow 8 to 10 a.m. First two sessions will be the free sessions. From day after tomorrow, Wednesday, it will be the actual sessions, which will start from morning at 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So I'll be the only trainer teaching these sessions, and it's a recorded sessions. Once class completed, automatically you will receive the recorded link to your email. So here, Raghu, I have already experience in UiPath. Like I have 8+ years experience. So can I able to join and learn? So you can join and learn any of the background, irrespective of the background. You are already an Automation Anywhere developer or Blue Prism developer, or you are working in some non-technical, non-IT. You want to learn this emerging technology and you want to move to IT, or you have some career gap, or you took some career break in between. So for all these career gap people who wants to kickstart their career, who have already recently been passed roads, for all these people, these RPA tools are the best emerging technologies to kickstart your career. The first and foremost advantage is it's a low code, no code platform, which means no coding knowledge is required. Any of the background, like whether you're a graduate or postgraduate, from science or commerce or arts background, anyone can learn this technology. And whatever the previous background also, no problem, anyone can learn. That's why many people are nowadays learning this RPA emerging tools. So in this teaching experience, we have like learned many things, and from last 4+ years, even we started we have registered, we put a company called RPAVault, and under this RPAVault now we are collaborating with different trainers. So we are launching advanced UiPath training sessions, and Microsoft Power BI, Playwright, and Azure, DevOps, data engineering. So different UiPath test automation. So different trainings also we are launching recently. Okay. So these sessions are completely for UiPath who doesn't know even like the basics of UiPath also. So we'll explain from very basic knowledge, guys. So what are the basic components, how to install this UiPath in your machine, uh, community edition, how to become a certified professional, how to do the certification which is recommended, how to get the hands-on experience. Okay, so from scratch to end, we'll explain. I will share the curriculum, what are all the topics I'm going to cover, and what is the fees, each and every information, we will discuss. Okay, in the meanwhile, any questions, anyone? All right. I'll try to cover almost, each and every point as per the curriculum to cover all your queries by end of the session. Okay. So please try to concentrate on the lesson, on the session, so that you won't miss any of the point. Okay. So first, let me share my screen. Yeah. Before that, um, yeah. So I worked with different companies like KPIT, Birlasoft, Coforge, Signity, Infosys as an RPA consultant. I worked with different industries, mostly banking industry and mostly healthcare and insurance industry. Most of the clients, very common clients implementing these automations nowadays. Along with that, healthcare, manufacturing, retail industries, and oil and gas, food and nutrition, HR. So these are all the different industries I worked, and I have implemented the automations like desktop, Excel, web, basic, Citrix. and integrated with different ERP applications like Oracle, SAP, mainframes, and worked on integrating with different ticketing tools like ServiceNow, Remedy Force, and developed many custom activities, delivered many POCs, and deployed more than I think 250 to 300 plus robots in my real-time experience. Okay. Along with that, I am a UiPath community speaker for Hyderabad chapter, and I got like opportunity to conduct and to deliver and many workshops on UiPath and delivered many in-person sessions and with all these recognitions I got rewarded with a UiPath key contributor for the year 2024 at T-Hub. I have received that award, and in 2025 I got rewarded with the UiPath Best Community Award. So these are all my success stories and professional experiences. So let me share my screen. So let me know once my screen is visible. Anyone?
Yes, we are able to see it your screen.
All right, thank you. All right. So why you guys all joined this session, guys? To learn to understand which technology?
RPA.
UiPath.
RPA
Right.
UiPath.
So what is the full form, guys?
Robotics Process Automation.
Process automation.
All right. So what is the full form? Why everybody is talking about this RPA tools nowadays from last 5 to 6 plus years? So which tool is the best tool nowadays to learn and understand, and which is the easiest tool to learn? And if I learn which tool, when I'll get the job? If I spend this much of time, will I able to get the job or not? If I get the job, what will be the package? I have already 7 plus years of experience. How to divide my experience into your path and my previous experience? What will be the expected package? And how to prepare the resume? And how many calls are there? Is there any calls are getting or not? How to apply for the jobs? So I'm from Noida. Is there any opportunities in at Noida location or at Bangalore location? So these are all the very basic questions, everyone will have. So we'll try to, cover every point. All right. So first of all, what is this full form, guys? So basically, robot means immediately, what you guys will understand. It's a kind of a physical robot, right? When I've been to this, college at Shivamogga, guys. So they are like college students, right? So immediately when they heard about this robotic process automation, immediately everybody got very much interested, and they have registered like anything. So finally, they came to know that it is a software robot where they cannot able to see the robot also. They thought like I'll go there and I'll train on some physical robot. I'll try to manufacture, I'll try to operate some kind of a physical robot in front of them. So they got really depressed. And finally, they understand that this is a software robot. But after the sessions, they are very much happy. Uh, Even a couple of people got opportunity as a freelancer, and still they are in the final year, but still they got opportunity and working on this RPA tool. Right. So guys, immediately what you guys think? First of all, it's a physical robot, right? But no, it is just a piece of code, guys. It's just a piece of code which we cannot touch or feel it. Okay, it's a software. It's a software where we are going to install in our machines. Okay. And what is the meaning of a process, guys? Basically, process. What is the meaning of process?
A process is the workflow which we are automating the steps.
Right. There are some set of rules, some protocols will be there. If you perform all those particular steps, then only we can say that is a process. Whether that is a, some technical process or in our day-to-day life activity also. You want to withdraw some money from ATM, or you want to book a ticket in from your IRCTC, or you want to make some online transfer amount to your friend's account. So there is a process. There are some steps will be involved. If you perform each and every step, then only you can able to complete that particular task. Then only we can say it as a process, right? Uh, for example, booking a ticket in IRCTC. So what are the prerequisites are there? First of all, you should have proper valid account, and you should have all basic details like what is the source address of your journey, what is the destination, what is the date of travel, time of travel, type of travel. You should have proper network, Wi-Fi or mobile network. You should have proper mobile or laptop. You should have proper registered network. You should receive the OTP on your mobile number, right? You should have the money in your, payment gateway. So if you perform all these steps, then only you can able to book a ticket, right? This is nothing but a process. Some set of rules are there. In the meanwhile, in IT industry also, there are so many people will work on such kind of repeated manual tasks. There are some rule-based tasks will be there. So what these guys are doing in IT industry, support people, that just, keep on just doing the same work every day. They'll just go to the office and, log into the, client network, and they're trying to, get the input data, whether it is from Excel, whether is it from SharePoint, whether is it from OneDrive, whether is it from email, whether from Word, from any of the way. They'll just receive whether it is from any of the ticketing tool also, no problem. So once they received the input data, they will copy the data and they'll process the data on the client application. And once process completed, they will just send the report to the client. Every day, same task. Go and log in and connect to the client network and copy the data and process the data and send the data. So it is the same task from last 10 to 15 plus years, which is the same repeated task, guys. Rule-based task, same task. Then we don't need such kind of human beings nowadays to perform such kind of repeated manual tasks. We can replace such kind of human beings with the help of these robots. That's where this RPA concept came into the picture. So whoever the people doing the same repeated tasks, they're not at all going to, develop something new which is not existed. They just keep on doing the same job. Okay. That's why our piece of code, whatever the robots we have, we will just train those steps. Whatever the support guys are doing this repeated manual task, we will just instruct those steps to the robot. And once you train the bot and once you deploy the robot into go live production, automatically, how many of the people are doing such repeated manual task, Maybe they will, remove their jobs, or else the team or the person, whoever, they will assign some other task for them. They no need to do the task because the robot is doing the task. That's why cost cutting, the most advantage with these RPA tools are cost cutting. The clients can save huge amount of money. And other than the money, what they can save mostly?
Time, accuracy.
Time. Excellent. Time they can save. Yes, Sharano, any question? You raised your hand.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So guys, so nowadays, so whoever such kind of, doing the tasks, we can just replace them with robots. For example, uh, logistics company is there. Every day across the globe, the recent trending topic that Strait of Hormuz is there. So many ships got stuck, and it was getting impacted across the globe on the real estate everywhere. Why? Because every market, everything is depending on that cargo only, right? The travel, the items, imports and exports. If everything is available good, then only, we can able to survive, right? Otherwise, everything will be very expensive if it is not like, user friendly. So logistics, when the shipment started, when the item dispatched, from where to where it is moving, finally item got delivered or not. What is the payment mode? Whether is it an online or cash on delivery? Is it a successful deliver order, or is it a failure or return product? So if you observe, this is like very simple common process, right? In logistics, tracking that invoice, tracking that particular order number in terms of logistics. So for every second, there are like lakhs and lakhs of items will be registered in different locations. So this is simple repetitive task only, right? So how many, for example, in that particular process, riders, let's take some riders information. So I have, for example, e-delivery, carting delivery company. So in our warehouse every day, I will receive 10,000 products. I have almost 500 plus delivery boys are there in our company. People are working. So for all of them, what is the same task every day? We will give some products. We will give them location. Tracking things, everything through application. So they'll just go through that particular location and reach the location and call to the customer and deliver the product and update the item information in the application. Correct? Same task. And what I need to do from the background, I will track each and every item, whether is it successfully delivered or not. What is the rider information, when the rider has, logged in for the day, log out for the day, how many items got delivered today, and like how many cash on deliveries I have received, any of the customer is missing or not, any kind of any complaints on them, payroll for them, providing the allowances for them, tracking each and every information. It's the same task only. For example, hospital, insurance company, banking industry. So if you understand, if you go, in depth, you will find so many repetitive tasks in each and every industry. That's why for all of those clients, these are like very simple repetitive tasks. So they have so many manual processes are there already in production. So now what they're doing, everybody, they want to save the money and time. That's why, if you remember, so many people are losing their jobs because they're just doing the same repetitive tasks. They're not going to develop something new. They are not the developers. They're giving the just support task. That's why nowadays those kind of jobs are very risky. So you should be in such a place wherein nobody should fire you, right? You should be in very safe place while you are doing the job. Always, very safe and secure. So that's why these tools are emerging technologies, guys, because clients can save so much of money and time. Okay, so process means set of rules, protocols. Okay, and automation means nothing but mimicking the user actions. So what does it mean, guys? So all these together, what I can say, what is the meaning of RPA, guys? With the help of a robot, we can able to mimic the actions. What kind of actions? Some repetitive rule-based tasks. Whoever the human beings are, working on some repetitive manual tasks, we can replace such kind of tasks with these RPA robots. Okay, so RPA is just a definition, guys. It is just a concept name. We are not going to learn anything in RPA. So in RPA, we have more than 50 plus tools are available in the market. Okay, the top trending tool in the market is UiPath. Okay, and Microsoft Power Automation, Cloud, and Desktop. Okay, so the top two trending technologies tools we are going to learn in coming 45 days. Okay, and then we have the competitor tool called Blue Prism. Okay, and then we have Automation Anywhere. So anyone here from Blue Prism or Automation Anywhere background who joined the sessions to learn this RPA UiPath?
Myself, Raghava. I'm from Blue Prism. Agro.
Okay, great. So where you are currently working?
Wipro.
Wipro. So your good name, Anusha.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So why you want to change your technology from Blue Prism to UiPath? So how many years of experience you have, Anusha?
Total, I have 9 years of experience in IT industry. Uh,
Mhm.
when I joined in HCL is my first company. There I have worked for internal tools. Then I got a chance to learn all RPA tools like Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, and UiPath. Then I got a chance to work in projects called in Blue Prism. So there I have worked for 5 years and then switched to Wipro. And in Wipro also I'm working in Blue Prism. But in Wipro I got a project like monitoring and monitoring work. So all my development knowledge is a bit gone. And now in this project they are migrating the processes from Blue Prism to UiPath. So I just want to learn UiPath and also want to switch my career, like switch my switch the company. So that's why I just want to learn this UiPath.
Okay, how about your Blue Prism experience? How many years of on Blue Prism you have?
Around 7 years. 7 years I have in Blue Prism.
Okay, so how about the job opportunities now on Blue Prism? Do you have any openings currently?
No, Raghu, actually very less. And that too, the packages are not like up to the level. They are like I saw like all they are going to migrate into UiPath or Power Automate because of the license cost.
Right, right, perfect. Yeah. So guys, see, even I don't know, guys. It's not a kind of known person who is talking and all. She's just like randomly joined the session. So how do you know and that? How do you know this RPAVault, Anusha? May I know who referred you? How do you got this information, training information?
Uh, like your colleague from different company, like I didn't remember his name, but he referred your name.
Right. Okay.
So I
So,
joined your
okay.
WhatsApp groups.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Uh, so guys, if you see, even people who are already from the RPA automation tool background, still joining and learning this UiPath because of the trending. Because nowadays, previously 4 to 5 years before, Blue Prism is a leading industry, Blue Prism and automation anywhere. But now UiPath is leading the market because of so many advantages. Like first of all, UiPath community, and you can learn these tools for free of cost, and you can do the certifications for free of cost. The user interface is also very easy, and even it's an emerging technology. As every day they'll keep on coming up with some innovations, some advanced concepts. Even the agents are also there in UiPath now. So that's why, and the licensing cost also bit high, but it is like completely worthable. That's why even nowadays companies are, migrating again from different technologies tools to Power Automation or else UiPath. That's why in this part of our trainings, I'm going to teach both UiPath along with Power Automation. Okay. Right. Okay, so guys, UiPath, Power Automation, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, Kofax, OpenSpan, and okay, so these are all the different tools available, in the market, guys, currently. Okay. Right. So guys, we started batch today, July 20th and 21st. Okay, 2 pre-demo sessions, which will complete almost 4 hours of training. Morning, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST. From Wednesday, July 22nd, actual session will start. Okay. From morning 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. No evening batches, guys. As of now, only morning batches because I'm a working professional. So I should also do my office work and should take care of the family and all. Okay. And it's completely online trainings. Okay. It's completely 45 days of program. And it's completely recording sessions also, which means I don't play the recorded link. I'll give the session and I'll record the session. So one session completed, recording link will receive automatically. To your email. Okay. And the fee cost is 19,999. Okay. We'll teach UiPath plus Power Automation Cloud and Power Automation Desktop along with some basic agentic automation, guys. Not in-depth. We'll explain with some couple of use cases on agentic automation as well. Okay. Right. And classes will be, guys, from Monday to Friday. Okay. 5 days per week and no sessions on Saturday and Sunday. Every day class will be 2 hours, guys. 2-hour session. Okay. So you will get mostly 30 to 32 sessions or 33 sessions, guys. Okay. Which will almost covers into, you will get 65 hours of content. Okay. Total by end of the sessions, you will get 65 plus hours of content along with resume samples, job opportunities across wherever the openings across happening on your path. we have a team. So our team will keep on, sharing the job opportunities across the globe on UiPath and Power Automation. If any freelancing opportunities or if any fresher opportunities experienced for different locations, they will keep on post in our WhatsApp groups. And at the end of the session, we'll take mock interview as well. Okay.
Right.
And we'll help you in preparing the resume as well. We'll suggest you that how many years you have to put on this UiPath, how many, certifications you have done, what are the certifications we need to put. Uh, so you guys will become certified developers by end of the course. You'll get certifications as well from UiPath Academy. Okay.
Right.
And training materials will be provided, and interview questions I can help you. Okay. So right. Okay. So these are all the things we're going to give you guys completely. Okay. Any questions, anyone, in this thing so far?
No.
Are we good? Right.
No.
So please stay in the session. We are going to announce an offer also, for this batch.
No.
All right. Right.
No.
Okay. So what are the advantages, guys? So what are the different advantages if you learn this RPA, UiPath tool and Power Automation, all these RPA tools? What are the most advantages? First of all, it's a low code, no code platform, guys. It's a low code, no code platform. What does it mean? No coding knowledge is required. Okay, I'll give you some demo also. What is the meaning of low code, no code? Why I am saying that no coding knowledge is required to learn this RPA tools. And next advantage is it's a open source tool. Open source tool. What does it mean? Open source means
No.
you can
Free
learn
of
and
cost to
install
learn.
free of cost. Okay. You can download community edition. Okay. It will never expire. It will never expire, guys. Okay. It's a logo, no code, and it's a free of cost. You can download a community edition for practice purpose and it won't expire. Okay. Next one, cost cutting, which means clients can save huge money because 20 people are doing this particular repetitive task. Now, what happened after, 1 month or 2 months of automation, whatever I have trained the steps to the bot, what will happen automatically? Those people no need to do that job again, right? Because my robot is already doing that job. Then what they will do? Maybe they will look into some another job, some another company, another technology, or they'll do something else. And time saving. How they can save the time, guys? Time saving. For example, human beings, how many hours per day they will work per day, guys? How many hours per day we will work? Basically 8 to 9 hours, in some companies 10 hours also, right? So out of this 9 to 10 hours also, hardly how much of time we will work, because we should have some lunch, snacks or dinner. We should go for attend some technical meetings with the client in some requirement, like 1 to 2 hours of sessions on the calls, some tea break, some coffee break, some chit chat. So mostly we will work productively for 4 to 5 hours per day. Okay. But robots, how much of time can work, guys? What is the advantage with robot? Is there any time limitation for that? How
No.
much time robots can work for?
24/7, no time limits.
Excellent. So robots can work like anything. What else? What are all it needed? Do robot need any coffee or tea or any vacation or any career break or any kind of sick leave or something? No.
No.
Just simple, proper infrastructure, proper laptop, proper server, proper configuration. That's it, right? That's why now whatever the people are doing 4 to 5 hours of task per day, robot can replace this 4 to 5 hours of job less than an hour. For example, let's consider 1 hour. This 4 to 5 hours, whatever that repeated task, doing by the support person, robot can replace with just 1 hour. That's it. Still, how many hours are left in the robot hand? Still, how many hours left in the robot hand? Out of 24 hours, we replaced this person. Whatever that guy is doing, our robot is just doing in 1 hour. Still in robot hand, we have 23 hours left, right? We have just consumed only 1 hour of robot time. So you can imagine how many times, how many people job we can replace, and how much of time we can save, how much of money we are saving for the client. And even robot don't do any mistakes, guys, right? It won't do any mistake. Whatever you train, it will perform like that. It can give 100% results. You can expect 100% results, zero errors. Okay. That's why everybody nowadays, implementing this RPA tools in their organization. Okay. Right. Productivity is getting increased. There is a task human beings are doing and delivered for one day or for a week. But now my robot is just completing the task within, 2 to 3 hours of time. Then what will happen? Basically, productivity will be increased, right? No repetitive tasks. Okay, so these are all the advantages, guys. That's why everybody nowadays looking for automation, because they are in every industry, they have so many repeated manual tasks. Okay, so can we all have a look on this automation UiPath, how it looks like, what is the meaning of a robot, how the robot looks like, and why I'm saying that no coding knowledge is required. What is the meaning of, it's a drag and drop technology, guys. It's a drag and drop tool. So what is the meaning of drag and drop? Why I'm calling it as a drag and drop? Let's have a look onto the UiPath, interface, how the interface looks like. Okay, so guys, this is my UiPath Studio. Basically, we have 3 components, guys. The very basic components in UiPath. UiPath Studio, UiPath Robot, we call another name as Assistant. Next one is Orchestrator, guys. Okay, we'll try to show you all these 3 components. Okay, so this is my UiPath Studio. So first, let me explain, do from scratch. So guys, basically, if you know SQL, what is full form of SQL, guys? Database. What is the full form of SQL?
Structure query language.
It's such a great language.
So what does it mean? How we can interact with the database? In which language, if you talk to the database, it will give you the query results. What we need to pass to the database? Query. Excellent. If you want to communicate, interact with the database, what we need to do? We need to write the queries. If you want to do something on Linux operating system or Linux, support, what we need to do in Linux, we need to pass commands, right? If you want to interact with the, SAP, what we need to do? We need to pass transaction codes, T codes. If you want to interact with Oracle ERP, you need to pass fast paths, like different things. For every technology, every language, if it is a Java or .NET, you need to write down some lines of code. If you want to interact with SQL, you need to write query. You need to interact with Linux. You need to pass commands. Then only you can expect the results. In the same way, in UiPath, what we need to do, we need to deal with activities. There are so many activities are there. Okay. So you need to, learning UiPath is nothing but working on activities, learning something on activities. So what are all those activities? How the activity looks like? Okay, let's see. For example, okay, I've received a couple of messages in the chat. Let me have a look. SAP BPA tech stack. How about agentic automation? Are we going to see this for both UiPath and Power Automation? In UiPath, I will cover, agentic automation, not like in-depth knowledge, guys, because nowadays we have separated the, completely advanced training, like UiPath IXP, agentic automation, coded agents, MCP servers. So all these, latest emerging technologies exclusively we have launched recently 2 weeks before as a separate training. Okay, in our sessions, I will cover from very basics, how to install UiPath, how to, start getting some knowledge on activities, what are the certifications we need to do. In advanced concept, I will try to cover. So if you go through our website there, we have placed all the curriculum. Excuse me, sorry. Umar, is the site working? Okay. So recently we have changed our site. Okay. I'll share the curriculum. Just a second. Right. Right. Okay. So in the meanwhile, I'll try to share the curriculum. It is getting downloading. Okay. So guys, this is the UiPath tool, how the interface looks like. Okay. And see, if you observe in the left side panel, there are activities. Okay. Now what we need to do is, as like everybody started with Hello World program, we'll try to say Hello World program with all of you. Okay. So in Java, what we need to do if you want to, do some Hello World, we need to write some line of code. But here, what we can do, see here, simply we have an activity called message box. What it can do, if you place the mouse over on that activity, what it is telling you, it displays a message box with a specified text and button. So what I'm doing now, drag and drop. Okay, I have just drag and dropped this activity from activities panel to development panel. So what it is telling you, whatever the text you want to display, that the text must be quoted, which means in the double quotation, you need to just write the query. That's it, write that particular text, whatever you want to display. That's it. I'm good. Whatever I want to run and execute, I have just completed. That's it. Now you can just run the bot. Okay. What you can do, just go and click on the debug file and just click on run. That's it. Now our UiPath robot assistant will start execution and it will give you the message box, hello world. That's it, guys. So did you write any line of code here? Anyone?
No.
So what does it mean? That's why it is a simple drag and drop technology, guys. So like this, there are like so many activities are there. So by end of the course, everybody should get knowledge on how many activities are there, for which scenario we need to take which activity, how to get these activities, how to install this UiPath first of all, what is the meaning of a robot. See guys, this is nothing but UiPath robot assistant. Okay, we call it as assistant. Previously we call it as a robot. Now we are calling it as an assistant. Okay, and our third component, which is UiPath orchestrator. And guys, this is the official website of uipath.com. Okay. So once the session completed today, just go and have a look on the website. As I have told you, it's a free open source tool, right? That's why they have mentioned try UiPath for free. Okay. So here you can see what are all the different industries nowadays implementing this automation: banking, healthcare, insurance, public sector, manufacturing. By department wise also, what are the different departments implementing this automation? Supply chain, finance, HR, QA. And by technology wise also, coded agent, Microsoft, SAP, agentic automation. Okay, so these are all the different industries, departments, technologies using. Okay, and we have they have categorized into build, orchestrate, and develop and all. Okay, so if you just go and click on all the products, you can able to see all the products of UiPath. Okay, if you want to learn any of the latest innovation on UiPath, first you should have the basic knowledge on UiPath basic components: Studio, Robot, and Orchestrator. Okay, we have Action Center, Agent Builder, AI Center, Automation Hub, Assistant, apps, insights, integration service, autopilot, data service. So many things are there to learn. Okay, on some of the emerging technologies, innovations, I will give you, some overview as well in the coming sessions. Okay, right. So I'm going to show you all the third component, which is UiPath orchestrator. Okay, so this is the studio where we are going to drag and drop the activities, and we are going to develop the automation flows. Whatever the human beings are doing the same repeated tasks every day in their day-to-day life activity, we are just going to replace such kind of tasks with these activities. For example, that support person is opening a browser. Then what we can do, we have an activity called open browser. All right, see here, open browser. Just drag and drop. So which browser you want to open, how robot knows to open that particular browser. See here, browser type. If you click on the drop down, you can see Chrome. Okay, and what they're telling you, insert the URL here. So I want to open our website called RPAVault.com. So what does it mean? What is this activity is doing currently? If I run the bot, it will open a new Google Chrome browser with the URL called RPAVault.com. That's it. You don't need to write any line of code here. If you want to do the same set of steps in terms of Java, then what we can do is, how many lines of code you need to write for simple hello world program. For example, let's take Java. Right. So guys, this is the cloud account which UiPath will give for all of us for free of cost. Okay. From here only, you can able to access all the innovations, also agents, actions, apps, automation ops, assistant, data fabric, document understanding, integration service, IXP, marketplace, so many things. From here only, even you can able to access the orchestrator. You can click from here, or else you can click from here also. So once our actual session started, I can help you in, giving the referral code, how to install, how to download the software, from where we need to download, each and every step will be explained. Okay. So I'm just giving you an overview how the components looks like, what we are going to teach, what we are going to learn. Okay. So this is nothing but orchestrator, like how many robots are running as of now in the production. For example, now I'm working for the client called Colpol. Okay, Colgate Palmolive. So in Colgate, they have already more than 350 plus robots are already in production. So how do I know how many robots are running? Every 2 to 3 minutes, one robot will start. So how do I know that robot successfully started or not? If started, whether the particular process is doing automation or not. If yes, is it a successful job or not? If it is failed, what is the reason? How do I know at which step the robot got failed? If failed, how to identify that issue? How to, make that issue resolved? How much of time I took to resolve that issue? So these are all the things we should learn, right? So to maintain for that particular process, on which server the robot should run and execute, how many development servers I have, how many production servers I have, how many testing servers I have. So all these things we should learn, we should know. So to maintain all this infra setup, there is an application required. That is nothing but orchestrator. So here, if you see how many machines you have, how many robots are there, how many jobs are currently running, how many are failed, how many suspended, how many retried, how many terminated. So all these things you can able to monitor from this particular orchestrator. Okay. So from here, we are going to develop the flows. From this attended robot, we are going to run the jobs. From this orchestrator, it is a web template wherein we can monitor and organize the robots. We can monitor how many jobs are running based on the logs. You can able to understand and you can able to check. Okay. Is it clear so far about the basic components of UiPath? How it looks like and all? What I'm going to cover and teach? Any questions, anyone so far? Feel free to unmute and respond. So here, guys, my sessions will be a bit different. Here, I'll give you the best opportunity, best platform for the coming 45 days to attend the sessions every day in the morning, without any fail. First of all, need some dedication and commitment and some consistency. Every day waking up in the morning and attending the session without fail. You should keep on doing the practice, doing the certification, attending 2 hours without fail, attending from laptop, by sitting in a clean and clear room. Then only you can able to focus. You learn, you'll understand something, right? Because all these things you already available in YouTube and UiPath Academy also. But why still people wants to, come and learn and sit in front of the laptop for a couple of hours? Because if you dedicatedly pay some time and money, you will get some more seriousness, you will get some more commitment, you'll get some more passion. I have paid some money, I need to definitely attend the session. If you just go and watch the videos on your mobile phone or laptop to learn your path, you may not able to learn, right? Because in between, your friend will share some reels on Instagram, your friend might call you, your parents will call you for some work, you need to go for some vacation, or you need to go and attend some friend's party, marriage. So these are all the, regular things, guys. There is a never ending process for all of this. But how about your job? Already career gap has started 2 years, 3 years, but still no job. Already your classmates already got the job, they got settled on, but you are just keep on, learning some different technology. but you're attending interview, but you're getting failed. Already 2 to 3 years career break has started, but still now, you are losing the hope. Yeah, day by day, your, self-confidence is getting very low, because there is nobody to give you, to guide you, on proper technology, on proper opportunities, what exactly the market trends going on. Already working on some non-technical job. So due to lack of guidance, some of you all already started working in IT industry, but that is some non-technical job. Then what you will do, what you are thinking, I have started my career. At the time of starting, I'm very happy. I got opportunity to work with Wipro, but after I joined in the company, what I'm doing currently, I'm just doing the non-technical job. Okay, job related, okay, company related, everything okay. How about financial? Every year you should have some financial growth, right? But after 3 to 4 years, there will be no progress, because that is a simple non-technical job. There will be no process, no progress, no career growth, no financial growth, right? So, so for all this, what is the solution, guys? There is only one-stop solution called nothing but learning this RPA platform, learning this RPA emerging tools and technologies. Okay. Right. So guys, what are the industries nowadays implementing, guys? Mostly banking, healthcare, insurance, retail, logistics, oil and gas, manufacturing, food and nutrition, okay, HR, payroll, civil, etc. Okay. What are the different automations we have, guys, in UiPath? What we can implement? What are the differences between RPA versus testing tools? Is these tools are nothing but a testing tools or not? Okay, we will learn. So guys, basically we have very basic automation called Excel. What are the limitations? Who is the CEO? Where is the headquarters? When this UiPath came into the picture? Okay, let's discuss some W-based questions also. Okay, so guys, we have basically Excel automation, web automation, desktop automation, basic automation, email automation. You can integrate with the database. Okay, you can do Microsoft Word automation. Okay, and we can do SAP automation. We can do Oracle. We can do mainframes. We can integrate with anything. We can integrate with the ServiceNow ticketing tool. Okay, so these are like so many integration things are there. For example, if you see here, guys, you can integrate with the Amazon services like ACS, Transcribe. You can integrate Anthropic Cloud. You can integrate Amazon Workspaces, Apple Mail, App Events, Calendly, Box, Bamboo HR, Citrix. Okay, Dropbox, Facebook. You can automate Freshdesk, Fresh Sales, GitHub, Google Docs, Google Cloud, Google Map, Google Sheets, Jira, ticketing tool, Mail, LinkedIn platform, Microsoft 365, Miro, Mock, Okta, OpenAI. See, guys, so many things are there. So many applications are there. You can able to integrate all this. You can perform automation, WhatsApp, Twitter, Zoom, YouTube, WhatsApp business, everything, anything you can automate, irrespective. Okay. So many people thought like all these RPA tools are nothing but a testing tool. But no, guys, this is not at all a testing tool. What I have told you, already the application is in live. What is this automation? Nothing but replacing those human beings with the robots. What kind of human beings? Whoever the people doing the repeated manual task, where they are doing the task already on the production from last 10-15 years, they are just doing the same repeated job. Then what we are doing, that job already is in production, right? We are just understanding those repeated steps, and we are just giving those steps instructions to the robot, and we are deploying our robots into production. Are we doing any testing here? No. Already the application is in live. We are just training those step instructions to the robot. So it is not at all a testing tool, guys. It's a development tool, automation tool, drag and drop tool. If anybody say, is it a integration tool or is it an integration, testing or something, please say it is an automation tool. It's a future technology, guys. It's related to the AI. Okay. You can integrate and you can play with like anything. So see here, is it like website loaded? Yeah. So as if you want to display hello world in Java, what you need to do? What is the meaning of writing the programming language? You need to write what is this class? What is from where the main is getting started? What is this meaning of public? What is this void? What it will return? What is the meaning of main? What is this string? What is this meaning of memory allocation? What is orgs? Why we open these braces? So many things to learn, right? But here, what happened? Simply what we have done, guys, we just took a drag and drop message box. We just passed hello world. We just run the bot. That's why it is a drag and drop technology. It's a low code, no code platform. No need of any coding knowledge is required. Okay. So now let's see this example. Like I have given this Google Chrome, and we have asked robot to open this RPAVault.com website, right? Now see here. If you run, what will happen? First, it will open a new browser. Okay. Let's see how it will behave now. Okay, see here, guys, what happened? Already there is a browser. Okay, this is my existing browser. Now what happened? It opened a new browser. And which browser? Chrome browser. And what it entered? The website RPA World. See, it got opened. And what is the next activity? Hello World. That's why it displayed message also Hello World. Okay. And now, if you see how easy, guys, how beautiful it is. Now I want to type something on Notepad. What I want to type, I want to give you all some welcome message. So what we need to do, if you want to type something, we have an activity called type into. That's it. See here, guys, type into. What it will do, it will send a keystroke to a UI element. What it will send whatever the keystrokes you are doing. So type into, I took an activity, dragged and dropped. Okay. Now what it is telling you, indicate where you want to type. Where I want to type, we need to inform no to the robot. However you train and instruct the steps to the robot, that much efficient solution, it can automate. Okay. So where you want to type, what I have told you, we need to indicate no. So let's indicate this notepad screen. Okay. And now see, notepad screenshot it took. And what is the text you want to type on the notepad? So text must be quoted, which means in the double quotation you need to write. I want to open in editor mode. If you click on this less than greater than symbol, it will open the editor, guys. Open the editor. I'll maximize this editor. So double quotations, right? Double quotes. Hello, everyone. good morning and good evening. People join from different locations, right? So I'm just giving the wishing. I want to write this by the robot, right? Welcome to RPAVault, UiPath training, pre-training demo session. That's it. Please join the next pre-demo session tomorrow at same time, same link. Okay, at 8 a.m. IST. That's it. Save. Now I want to run the bot. If I run the bot, now what will happen? Will robot will execute only this particular activity, or robot will start from scratch?
It will start from scratch. It opens browser, then hello.
Right. Okay. It will execute from scratch. See here, guys. Now what will happen? If I click on run, first what activity it will execute, guys? Come on, try to respond, everybody.
Open browser.
Excellent. After that, which activity?
Then message box.
Message box. After that, which activity?
A notepad. It will write on notepad.
Notepad. See. So first thing, browser open with the particular URL, and then second activity, message box. And see third one, is it writing on the notepad or not? Okay, clear? Now I want to type one more time. Again, do I need to take this activity? Again, do I need to indicate the screen? Again, do I need to open the editor and do I need to pass the text? Guys, is it a one-time process or not? If you're a human being, you need to do again and again. If you're explaining, doing from scratch. But now as it is a robot, what we can do is simply just run it. N number of times you can run. Just to try it once and execute n number of times. Okay, that's how we can save so much of time, guys. Okay, so like this, we need to train the steps to the bot. Automatically, the robot itself can do a number of tasks like this. Open a browser, open an Excel, send an email, open and read the invoice, go and read the data from a table structured format. There are total 300 rows and columns of data is there. I want to get that information within fraction of seconds. Robot can able to do that, no problem. There is total 1,000 lines of code or something is there, some text is there. Our robot go and read it in within just fraction of seconds. You want to read the total 10,000 emails. Robot can read those 10,000 emails. You want to send an email to 100 persons. Robot can do send automatically to the send an email to 100 people. It will reply the email, it will delete the email, it will forward the email, it will move the email, it will write the SQL query, it will execute the query. it will draw the images, pictures. It can integrate with SAP. It will enter the transaction codes, it will do the business, it can do all your activities, whatever you are doing. Okay. Any questions, anyone so far? Is it clear? Understand everybody? What is meaning of RPA, UiPath, what we are going to learn, what I'm going to teach? Any questions, anyone? You guys able to understand what I'm telling?
Yeah, hi Raghava. Shadow this side. Uh, in future, what we are using means I know means I have experience in a UiPath studio, but I get to know which activities we are using means in future. Are we using modern or classic one?
Yeah, it's a good question. So guys, still people are using classic activities. Like it's not a mandatory thing that after joining in the company, you need to use only modern activities, something like that. Okay. It depends. If you are very comfortable with classic activities, you can just drag and drop classic activities you can learn. If you're comfortable with modern, you can do See, every developer has their own way of style in developing the automation flow or writing the code. Nobody have the rights, hey, why you have did like this? Why did not use this particular activity? For every scenario, for every situation, for every pain point, there will be 10 to 15 solutions will be there. I have my own style. Swapna has her own style. Tejas have this own style in development. Ultimately, getting the output or not is the objective, right? So they don't look into the code like, they will do peer review, but they don't comment anything on your way of styling the coding. Whether you do classic activity or modern activity, you to go inside this particular or not, they don't look about all this. Ultimately, you getting output or not. So in our sessions, try to cover both classic and modern. But recommended is to understand and learn the subject on classic is very easy and recommended. If you understand classic, automatically you will get modern as well. Okay, clear, Sharanu?
Oh, okay. And what do you suggest, means which is better when
Both,
classic?
both we should learn.
Sure.
All right, let's just give me a minute. Getting another question. All right, just give me a minute. I'll connect the charger. Right. Am I audible, guys? I just connected my charger. I removed the headset. Is it clear? Any questions, anyone so far? All right. Still, we have 30 minutes left. We'll cover the remaining part of the first demo session, okay? Please confirm, am I audible clearly? Is it clear?
Yes. I can hear you.
All right. So guys, tomorrow also you will receive this, meeting link. Okay, please join with that link. Automatically, you will get the session link for tomorrow as well. Okay, and now, for example, I want to click on this particular compose button. So now what you have gone through so far, a welcome message, opening a browser, typing something on the notepad. Now I want to click something. Okay, so to click something, what activity we have, guys? Click activity. That's it. So if you search for click, see, there are so many things are there. For example, this is the click I want to use. So drag and drop, click activity. So where you want to click, You need to indicate, right? Again, just indicate on screen. Okay, I have indicated. After that, I want to scrape some data. Okay, for example, if you open this, email, I want to extract this meeting link information. So what we need to do, how you will extract? We have an activity called get text. Okay. So if you just take this activity, so what they are telling you, get text, extracted text value from a specified UI element. So indicate on screen what you are trying to extract the data. Okay, I have indicated. Now it will go and give this information to you in the form of a string. So how it will give you, you need to allocate some memory. That is nothing but variable. What type of variable we need to type, create data type, string data type. Okay. So we need to follow some syntax. str, I can say like your name, my text. Then automatically once you execute the robot will go and extract this text and it will store in this particular data type, string data type. Okay. Now I want to see this message also. See this text also in a message box. Then what activity we need to take? Message box. In this message box, what value we need to pass? What value? Where is this information stored now?
String my
String
text.
underscore my text.
str my text. This is nothing but my variable. Just pass this variable in the message box. That's it. Okay. So let's see now how it will do. Whether is it clicking on compose button? Is it extracting the particular, content or not from the site? Is it displaying in the, message box or not? Let's see. Okay. Right. So if you observe now in this particular small workflow only, we have asked robot to perform so many different activities. One with Notepad, one with simple internal activity message box, one with browser, one with already existed open browser, right? So first activity done, open browser. Second activity, message box. Third activity, Notepad. Okay, it has written our message. Fourth activity, it should click on the compose button, right? Let's see. In between, did we give anything? Compose only, right? Okay. P060. Okay, I have opened one email. Just a minute. When I am indicating it is 3060, now I have opened one email. That's why we have 3059 only. That's the reason it got failed. Okay, let me rerun the bot. So it opened a browser. Hello world. Type down Notepad. See, it clicked on compose and now it is trying to extract the this particular link also. Okay. And we will get this particular link text in a message box. Is this the same link I have indicated? Let's see. I think we have indicated different link. Okay. So guys, like this, n number of instructions, irrespective of application, irrespective of, the automation type. So like this, first of all, we need to understand in real time, our client will explain you what is the manual process they are currently working on. That manual steps, what we need to do, we need to listen and understand whether can we do this RPA automation or not. If yes, what will be the timelines? How many days you need? What is the infra setup you required? What are the documentation is needed to implement the automation? What kind of infrastructure is needed? How many robots needed? And how many manpower needed to develop and complete that particular automation flow? If client implemented this automation, what will be the advantages the client will get? Manually, how much of time taking for completing one transaction? After implementing this automation with UiPath robot, how much of time that robot is taking? So per transaction, it is saving, for example, 30 minutes. Every day 20 transactions, which means 600 minutes, which means almost per day 10 hours we are saving for the client. So 22 days per month into 60, almost more than 12,000 plus minutes you are going to save for the client only for this particular one process. You can imagine how many processes are there, how many robots are there. Okay, so this is the life cycle of RPA, guys. First, client will explain you the manual process steps. You will record and you will understand the steps and you will make it as a documentation. We should prepare the business requirement document, solution design document. In all this life cycle, I'll explain you in step by step, life cycle by cycle, like how to collect the requirement gathering. First of all, when client is explaining you what are all the prerequisites and limitations, we should know how to understand the steps, how to check the feasibility, whether can we do this process automation or not, what are the best practices we should implement in each and every life cycle of RPA implementation. Okay. Yeah, syllabus I'll explain. And after that, yeah. So once I've just downloaded in the document. Right. Okay, so in terms of development, how to do the development, what will be the best practices, how to do not do hard coding, how to renaming the activities, how to add the annotations, how to pass the log messages, how to do the peer review, how to do the logging mechanism, how to find out the root cause analysis. Once development completed, how to do the SAT, how to do the UAT, how to do the integration testing, internal, unit testing yourself, how to do the client quality check with the client, how to deploy the bots into the production. After that, how to monitor. So each and every life cycle of RPA, we will cover and discuss in the coming sessions. Okay. So let's discuss about the course content, what I am going to cover. Okay. So guys, rpavault.com, our session will be in a 45 days. Okay. So if any questions, anything, any doubts, please call to my number, guys. This is my number. Okay. If you want, you can note it down or you can take a picture. Okay. So guys, how about the job placement assistance? Hey Raghu, if I learn RPA UiPath training from you, how you are going to help us in giving the job assistance? I'm not telling you, hey, if you learn this course, I'm going to put the offer letter in your hand. You're just paying me to understand and to get the technology. That's a training, technical course, right? Along with that, what I am going to help you, how I am going to help you. Okay, so guys, we have our own page in LinkedIn called RPA Vault Professional Trainings and Services. Okay, RPA Vault Professional Trainings and Job Prospects, wherein we have more than 4,500 plus followers are there. So here, what our team will do every day. Okay, so if you see all our post, every day our team will post all the job opportunities across. For example, see, you have one day before yesterday, Sunday also still my team is working, and see, UiPath developer, location not specified, 5 to 12 years of experience needed, UiPath automation, deployment, document understanding, API, immediate 30 days of notice period, which company, alphacom.in. So just you can apply, you just share your profile with them if you have 5 years of experience. And see here, this is just 1 to 3 years. Even you apply for the freshers also. Location, Bangalore. Company name called Liquidspire. You can search the same in Naukri, LinkedIn also. You will get it. And next one is Pune. See, this is remote, I think. This is Bangalore. This is Pune, sumansoft.net. And this is from USA, Global Opportunity. Okay. linketms.com. And so that's it. Next, go to 3 days above, 3 days before, one more job opportunity. So kaivel.com, Chennai, 6+ years. Chennai, 5 to 7 years. Coronis Health. Bangalore, onjust.com, Bangalore, Ilios Technic. See, if you observe now, just within couple of minutes, you can see we posted multiple opportunities across. If you don't have any, limitations, no, any of the location is fine, then just keep apply for opportunity. Okay, see 6 days before what our team posted. So like this, you will have more than 2,000 to 3,000, postings, job postings will be there. You will get so many, uh, you know, like recruiter email addresses will be there. You just go and look and apply. That's it. Okay. So like this, we will keep on continuously sharing every day job opportunities across our LinkedIn, across the WhatsApp groups, across the, all social media platforms, Instagram, YouTube, and Telegram groups, Telegram channels, everywhere. Okay. So that once that you are going to complete the session, I am going to take you the mock round. I will share you the sample resumes. For example, if you see here, right. So sample resumes. Okay, see sample resumes bulk. I have attached 3 zip files. In each and every zip, there are more than 60 to 70 profiles are there. You will get more than 300 to 400 plus resume samples. Okay, based on your experience as a fresher or 3+ years or 2+ or 1+ or 5+, you can just have a look and select the best profile, and you can just ready with your resume. And I'll take the mock round and go and apply for the job here. That's it. Okay, that is how. And even I'm going to give you materials also, training material also. Quiz questions I'll give you. And see, this is the Think Automation, uh, like Academic Foundation training recap. So total, how many pages are there? 140 pages of document. Okay. So on concept wise, we have classified total 22 concepts. So in the starting, what are the UiPath workflow, sequence, flowchart, state machine? What is the meaning of sequence, flowchart, state machine? What is the differences? Okay. What is variable? What are the different data types we have? Okay. Numeric, Boolean, date and time, string, collection, generic. What are the examples? What is the string method conversions? Okay. And arguments, full selectors versus partial selectors. What is selector, dynamic selector? So if you see, there are so input method, output method, what is send window, what is default, what is Chromium API. So concept wise, theoretical, knowledge is also we can provide you. We'll share this documentation with all of you in the real time sessions. Okay. Like this, so much of training material is with me. Okay. Documentation, for example, see here. So this is like concept-wise documentation I have prepared for all of my students. We'll share this documentation with you, and we'll give you like suggestions like what will be the subject line, what will be the body we should put and attach your profile and share with the recruiters. Okay, some sample templates we will give you, and so complete life cycle I have told you, right? So here if you see different documentation is available, like complete like these are the some more references of the RPA job opportunities, return on investment, how to get the return on investment, how to collect the requirement gathering. Okay, how what are the limitations we need to take care while doing the PDD and SDD, and self-introduction while you are preparing for the job opportunity, but even you don't know how to introduce about yourself, lack of communication is there. So how to introduce self-introduction, where you are from, or overall experience, where you started your career, what's your relevant experience at present, where you are working, what are the different industries, different automations, how many projects, how many POCs you have done. So along with some project explanation. Okay, like this theoretically can help you even in getting the uh, preparing for the job opportunities as well, and how the presentations, how the cutover plans look like, how the UiPath licensing, how the use cases looks like, each and everything also I'm going to share with all of you, different real-time documentation. Okay, and along with this I have some training material. Okay, I'll share all this material also with all of you. Okay. See, these are all the different UiPath interview questions, guys. Okay. So total how many pages are there? 110 pages are there. So you can just go and find out. So from all these different documentation, interview questions. Okay. So these are all the content I'm going to give you. And here we have 83 pages, 140, 110, 83. More than 350 pages of documentation I'm going to give you. Okay. And recruiter mail addresses. Previously, before this LinkedIn, I have some more recruiter mail IDs are there. I'm going to give you access for all those. And yeah. So about the course content, let's have a look on the course content. Okay. So that is about the placement assistance, guys. Along with that, every day your attendance will be noted, recorded. Okay. So this is our website, like our application, one application we built for our student tracking purpose, progress. So if you join the session today, automatically your attendance will be recorded. By end of the session, 45 days, how many sessions you attended, how many you failed, how many absent, how many present. Okay, like this everyday attendance will be tracked automatically. Okay, and then certifications. Once you do the certification, automatically you will upload your certification so that you can see how many certifications you have done. Okay, and about the projects, how many projects you are going to do, and you can able to access all those projects from here as well. If you're other person learn and you want to get some knowledge on that one, access on that one, you can just download from here. Okay, and then downloads, important links, what are all the content I'm going to give you: interview questions, real-time use cases, customer use case slides, and bots DNA solutions, ready-made solutions, recordings with you. And now I showed foundation recap, theoretical presentation, organization, testing, interview questions, VB.NET, some coding best practices. Okay, resume collection, document understanding content, agentic automation content. So all this content I'm going to give you. Okay. So this is about next thing, and guys, live interaction sessions, and even you will get access to the recordings. We will give access for the recordings next up to 6 to 7 months of time. Okay. And now, no coding background required, 100% job oriented curriculum, industry, like expert trainer with years of experience. So I have told you, right? Actually, how much I have told you in the starting, the actual cost is 19,999, which is around 20,000, right? But for this batch, we are going to offer you, which is 3,000 discount. Okay, so I'm going to give you offer with 16,999 for UiPath along with Power Automation Cloud and Desktop. Duration will be 45 days. You will get minimum 32 to 33 classes, total 65 plus hours of content. Okay, we have like I have trained so far 20,000 plus students, right? From last 8 to 9 years of training experience. In that one, more than 500 to 600 plus success stories I do have. One of my student got settled on with 45 lakhs per annum package, working in the company called Compass. Okay, one of the student got opportunity after the course completion less than 7 days of time. If you want some success stories, you can go through our website. Okay, our previous feedbacks, you can just go and have a look on the reviews. You can find out all the reviews of our let me sort with new ratings and feedback. Okay, so 2 days ago, 51 minutes ago, 3 days ago, 2 months ago. Okay, you can find out all the reviews from here, all our previous session recordings. Okay, 5 months ago, 6 months ago, 7 months ago. Okay, you can find out, go through all my reviews, and you can take your decision. No problem. Okay, all those are genuine, valuable feedbacks which has provided by our previous sessions batches. Okay. So begin your day with purpose, master RPA in our exclusive weekday morning session for maximum focus and accelerate your learning. Okay. And overview. So 33 classes, what I'm going to teach. Class 1 to 2. Uh, 1 second, guys. This is agentic automation, power automation. Yeah. So class first and second, like our demo sessions, and first session will be the installation of our agentic automation, UiPath components, power automation, cloud and desktop. Okay. Installation, agentic automation, power automation, overview, demo sessions from class 3, UiPath and all the power automation agentic setup download, class 4 and 5 UiPath Studio explanation, each and everything in UiPath Studio. What is home? What are all these options available? What is this design panel? What is this debug option? Each and every component we will learn. Class 6 to 7 variables, argument, input dialog box activities, selectors, Excel automation, workbook automation, data table automation, Word automation, string manipulation, RPA challenge program, selectors, email automation, database, document understanding, exception handling. In advanced concept, we'll explain RE framework, assets and bot deployment, attended and unattended, real-time project explanation, queue, dispatcher, performer, end-to-end RE framework flow, Power Automation Cloud, Power Automation Desktop, RE framework projects, couple of projects, API automation, regular expression, integration services, debugging, control flows, agentic automation, Power Automation Desktop, Automation Anywhere interface, Power Automation Cloud as well. Okay. We'll share this curriculum, I think already with all of you. If still you did not have this, please ping me in my WhatsApp number. I'll share this curricular course content with all of you. Okay. I'll add you in the WhatsApp group. I'll share the tomorrow's recorded link with all of you. All right. Next one. So training details, complete training material, daily class recording, progress tracking system, 30 to 40 tasks you will complete by end of the session, 15 to 25 mini projects we are going to give you for hands-on practice, and some ready-made solutions are also will give you, academy certifications you will get, a real-world experience you will get with the market trends, what going on currently. I'll keep explain you, sharing with you all my experiences, what I have learned so far, what I'm currently working on, and hands-on learning you will get first of all, and guidance for freshers particularly. Okay. So resume preparation, LinkedIn account creation, Naukri, interview skills, mock interview. Okay, mini projects, mock interview session, resume preparation guidance, Naukri and LinkedIn profile, interview questions explanation, how to prepare your project portfolio development. Okay, so this is about your our course curriculum, guys. So these are the some FAQs also we have posted, in the document. You can go through. You can you can access all our social media websites from here. Okay. For example, click on Google review. You can access Google review. You want to access our YouTube videos. You can just go through the YouTube and you can navigate to our RPAVault. You can access all our previous demo session links from here. Okay. All right. Still we have 8 minutes left. I think I have covered almost everything. Let's just have a recap. What is RPA? What is the full form of RPA? Nothing but mimicking the user actions. What kind of actions? Repeated manual tasks. With the help of this RPA concept, with the help of any of the tool, we are going to learn something and we are going to develop our automation flows. Okay. So as I have told you, today and tomorrow demo session, from day after tomorrow, Wednesday, actual session will start from 7:30 to 9:30. Every day, 2 hours of session. Training course will be after offer. You will have for 16,999. Okay. You will get both UiPath plus Power Automation. Sessions will be Monday to Friday. No session on Saturday, Sunday. Completely practice on Saturday and Sunday. So after joining in the batch, I will create the groups and teams. Every 2 to 3 people or 3 to 4 people will create a team, and we will assign one team lead also. So you guys will connect together, will practice. You can discuss on technical topics. And by end of the session, you'll get 32 sessions, which means 65 hours of content. We discussed about advantages, components, differences between what are the industries, automation types. And guys, this UiPath came into the picture in 2005, but it became very much popular from 2017. UiPath CEO is nothing but Daniel Dinis. So headquarters is in USA. Now in India, headquarters is in Bangalore. Okay. And yeah, that's it more. Let me share some of my success stories, guys. Before that, let me take questions. Do you have chance to work on real-time projects? Yes, Akshay. I'll explain you one real-time project end to end, from collecting requirement gathering to deployment in each and every life cycle of RPA, how to collect, how to prepare the project, how to do each and every project, like real-time project, I will cover and teach. Do you have chance to work on real-time project and scenario? Yes. Okay. So we'll share some success stories with all of you. Okay. So guys, so many people, will take the sessions. Some people will give you from free sessions also, but free is always free, right? Less amount, less charges are always like same. Okay, there will be more competition. So guys, as I have told you, I'm a UiPath official certified trainer. Along with that, I'm a professional corporate trainer. I'm a speaker. I'm a UiPath top key contributor for 24, community award winner for 25. Received this award at Hyderabad T Hub. And I have certified in UiPath developer associate, developer professional. I have completed business analyst. I have completed my solution architect. I have completed agentic automation associate, specialized AI associate, infrastructure engineer, and along with test automation. Okay. So this is about my corporate real-time working experience. Started career with Capgemini, KPIT, Berlasoft, Bangalore, Pune, Infosys, Hyderabad, Signity, Hyderabad, and Coforge, Hyderabad. And a couple of weeks before, even I left Coforge also, guys. Now I'm currently working for UK-based company, and now I'm working for the client called Food Panda. Okay. So recently I got again switched. So I'm working for that new company now. Okay. So this is about my professional experience. Okay. And still more questions. Let me take. How we'll explain Power Automate desktop in detail or only basics? Yes, Swapna. So Power Automation Cloud and desktop, Power Automation Cloud, I'll cover what are the workflows like instant, scheduled, automated, how the workflows looks like, how the infra setups looks like. For example, see here. Power Automate. So we'll show you complete end-to-end infrastructure. We'll help you in getting the infrastructure. We'll explain you, in terms of cloud, what are the different available templates are there, how to use this existing template, how to share the code, how to create instant workflow, automated workflow, scheduled workflow with real-time explanation. Okay, in terms of cloud. In terms of desktop, we'll help you in getting the desktop application. We'll explain you will couple of use cases how to use the Power Automation desktop drag and drop. For example, see here. Okay, so guys, this is nothing but Power Automation desktop. We'll explain with couple of examples, not like in-depth knowledge, how the platform looks like, what are all options are there, what are all important, because already you guys are spending good amount of time on UiPath. So again, explaining each and every point on Power Automation is like not that much needed. Up to interview level, definitely you can able to survive. Okay, clear, Swapna? Rama Joshna, is freshers have any opportunities? Yes, absolutely. Opportunities are there for freshers also. As I do have like many success stories, collaborated with many companies, so many people will reach out to me. Hi Raghu, we are looking for some freshers. Do you have any freshers who already learned your path? So we will teach those fresher opportunities with them. Okay, the freelancing opportunities with them, some training. If any internship programs are there, we will teach. We will share with you all those opportunities. Okay, yeah, and I'll show you my certifications also, guys. So, okay, those are like real or fake. So guys, we have a website called credentials.uipath.com. If you go through there, you can find out all the credentials of all the people. Okay, see here in 2024, September 24, June 2024, April 2024, May 2023. So what is this certification achievement about? Solution architect. Okay, about myself, you can come and check about my training certification, each and everything about my profile, my LinkedIn, my complete portfolio. You can able to come and check here how I got my certified professional trainer award and all. Okay, and if you go back, you can see all the certifications. This is about developer professional certification, digital credential. This is about my business analyst. This is about my associate, and this is about my certified community UiPath community trainer award, which I have rewarded on 2023. Okay, so this is all about my profile and success stories. Yeah. So guys, so these are all the different certifications in one frame. You can have a look around it. And in 2025, I have rewarded from UiPath Community Chapter Head Niklesh, UiPath Top Key, Contributor and Community Award winner. And this is reward I have rewarded with Top Key Contributor Raghava in 2024 in DHub. And this is my community trainer certification. This is one of my corporate training experiences, which I am giving the training on UiPath at Twilio, company called Twilio in Bangalore, RMG EcoWorld at RMG EcoWorld Bellandur. This is my another corporate training experience. I'm giving some workshop for the freshers. These are all the freshers. They learned UiPath from me and they got settled down and they got a couple of people working in Germany now. Germany for that client. Okay. And this is one of my college training experiences. This is myself, and I have given the training for all these 300 plus women students for the final year at Priyadarshini Engineering College at Khammam. And can you guess who is he, guys?
He is the CEO.
UiPath CEO Daniel Dinis. I got opportunity to meet him couple of times, 3 times in my UiPath journey, and rewarded with one of the goodies. And this is my corporate training experience at Malaysia at the company called Roche. So these are the Malaysian people, and this is at Singapore. So another corporate training experience on UiPath, giving some workshop for them in real time practical. These are all my certifications, and wherein I got rewarded with community award in front of all of them. And this is another teaching experience in Karnataka, Shivamogga, the college called Prerana Educational Society PES College. So these are all the students. I'm with the students. Yeah, this is my classroom teaching experience. That's it, guys. So I have took already 3 minutes of your time extra. Any more questions, anyone? Thank you. Thank you. Will the course prepare me for UiPath professional certification? Yes. After the course, how long will I receive support? What is your refund policy if the course does not meet the promised syllabus? If I did not meet, if any of the point I have mentioned and if I missed, you have the rights to ask me for the complete repayment. Okay, no problem. And I will give you certification, how to schedule the exam for certification. And even I'll give you some certification dumps also, wherein it can help you in clearing your certification dumps also. See here, study material, capstone project, which batch, interview questions, best practices. So guys, I have the dump also with all of you, with me. I'll share the dump also with all of you so that you can have a practice on that before taking the main paid exam. Okay. And will you share training material and interview questions on Power Automate? Yes, we'll share training material and Power Automation as well. Okay. All right. Any more questions, anyone? Feel free to unmute and respond. Now I'll give you the time for Q&A. Well, let's have some question and answers. Okay. On the demo, you can give me any feedback. You can ask any question.
No, Raghava, I'm good.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much for your time also. So Swapna, where you are from, Swapna? Hi, Swapna. You can unmute and respond. You can say hi.
Hi, Raghava.
Hi. So where you are from, Swapna?
Hyderabad.
Okay. You already working professional?
No,
Okay. So now, why you want to learn your path? What you are looking for from RPAVault?
actually, I took career break after getting married. I took career break. So when I was googling about RPA, I found UiPath is also one of the most trending. So
Right.
one of my friends referred your name.
Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. So how is the session, demo session? You understood? Did I covered all the points, Swapna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you willing to interest and join the sessions?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time, Swapna. Hi, Abdul Khalak Sheikh. Hi. Hi, Abdul.
Hey, hey. Yes, Raghav.
Hi. Where you are from?
I'm from Maharashtra, Jalna city, but recently I'm in Hyderabad.
Okay.
I'm doing as a RPA developer. I
Which
have five
company
years of
working professional?
experience. Yeah,
Great. 5 years. Okay. Where you are currently working?
in Hyderabad.
Which company? May I know?
The Orbit Healthcare.
Orbit Healthcare, like opposite to T-Hub.
No, not that one. That Kukatpalli in that located, that Manjira Majestics. The
Manjiram.
company name, yeah, the parent company is that in Sunray Infotech.
Okay, which is opposite to Nexus Mall.
Yes, exactly.
Great. Okay. So in which tech tool you are working currently in RPA?
Currently, actually, I have that experience in the various tool, but they are just due to that budgeting issue. Actually, they are just planning to move the playwrights. But I have the expertise in that UiPath mostly. I
Mm-hmm.
worked on that UiPath,
Mm-hmm.
and I just want to learn about that agentic UiPath. So that's why I'm here. So yeah, I'm
Okay.
looking for a UiPath
Okay.
agentic. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Thank you so much, Abdul. So if you
Thank
want like a dedicatedly learning, looking for advanced automation, please ping me. I'll share that advanced curriculum with you so that you will get to know. That batch already started 2 weeks before so that you can have a look around on that advanced concepts. Okay.
Yes, 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 yes. Sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Uh,
Thank you.
Hi Tejesh, BV Tejesh. Are you there, Tejesh? Next, Kavya. Hi, Kavya.
Yeah, very nice.
Hi. So, yeah, Kavya, can you please introduce about yourself?
I'm working currently in Accenture, 2+ years experience I have in UiPath, and I'm looking for advanced technology to learn.
Okay, okay. Like RE framework, document understanding, agentic automation.
I need to learn like agentic automation and document understanding.
Okay, okay. Sure, sure, Kavya. I'll try to, explain and cover my level best. Thank you so much for attending the session. I hope
Yeah,
all your points cleared, right, in the session, demo
yeah,
session.
yeah, I have cleared it.
Okay, thank you. Next,
Thank you.
hi, Love Kumar.
Hi Raghav,
Hi. Where you're from, Lava?
I'm from Vishakhapatnam.
Vizag. Okay. You already working professional?
Actually, I have worked in System Plus, which is in Pune, for 3 years, and I have taken a break for 1 year. Like
Okay.
I was completely worked as a support role
In which technology?
in UiPath.
Acha, in UiPath itself. Okay.
Yeah,
So how many
but
bots you monitor per day? In support,
sorry.
in support, when you worked in support, how many bots you monitor basically?
Actually, I have monitored like 18 to 19 bots.
Okay. So what is the
Uh,
frequency? Is it like daily bots or weekly or fortnightly?
it was a daily bot and monthly bot even. So I don't get that much of exposure with the UiPath Studio. And as we already know, like agentic is going to boom. So I just wanted to give a overall with everyone, learn everything. So I have joined in this.
Okay. Okay. Great, Lava. So definitely I'll try to explain everything. Okay. Thank you so much. Any more questions, Lava? Is it clear everything?
Yes, everything is clear. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, Rama Joshna. Hi, Rama.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, Rama. So you're working professional, Rama?
I am recently passed out, sir.
Okay, fresher.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So how's the session? You understood everything what I have explained in the demo,
Yes, sir.
right? You can call me Raghu. No need to call me sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Raghu. Yeah.
Okay, Rahul.
Thank you so much. Next, Venkat. Palakagiri. Palakagiri Venkat. Hi, Venkat.
Hi, Raghava.
Hi. Yeah, Venkat.
I am working as a RPA developer and SME of the RPA related things. I
Okay.
already taken from training with you
Okay.
at
Great.
2023 ending up and 2024 starting.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That is evening batch is there, na?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Venkat. Yeah, evening batch.
Yeah. Then after I will work with the some RPA workflows, empower related things, and implemented 24 systems in the pharma industry.
Oh,
So I want so I want to plan with the orchestrated model like as a unintended things
okay.
and looking forward as a power automation. That's why I'm checking with your classes now few days. So
Okay.
now we have a chance to join this class.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sure. So what will be the
Raghava,
fees for advanced? So Akshay, for advanced concepts, it is cost of we are taking 16,000. Yes, Venkat.
Raghava, you can train with the link you related things. Link you.
Link you queries.
Yes.
Yes, yes. I'll cover link you queries as well in the session.
And I require more like as a power automation related things. So like
Sure.
I want to plan with the developing the power automated bots.
Yeah.
So can you take care with the more like a implementation of the bot related things?
Yes, yes. We'll take care of Power Automation, cloud and desktop implementations as well.
Okay. One more thing, Raghava required. Like you can suggest me how the licensing related and bot deployment related and document related. I
Sure.
required the information.
Yeah, sure. I have the document with me from UiPath wherein all the licensing cost. So this is the dump, guys. I'm going to give you wherein for the practice before taking the your developer professional exam. Okay. So this is the dump I'll give you for practice purpose, and along with that, the licensing I have one document with me. I'll share that licensing details with you, comparing with Power Automation and UiPath as well. Okay, and so this is the best practices guide, and we do have so many customer success stories document with me, and use case slides with me. I'll share that document and content with you, Venkat. Okay,
Okay, Raghava, thank you.
thank you so much. Uh, anyone else? Anyone wants to say anything? Hi, Srinivas Samayam. Hi. Nice name, surname. Are you there? Next, Sharanu. Hi, Sharanu. You are the one asking many questions, pinging me in WhatsApp from last couple of weeks. I hope I have cleared all my questions with you, right? So you
Uh,
already current working professional, Sharanu?
yes, I'm working with the Residio technology. I mean, it's the office in Belandur, near Belandur.
Acha,
In Bangalore.
Echo
Yes. Not in Echo World, Embassy Tech Park.
Embassy Tech Park. Okay.
Yes. I have experience in RPA Blue Prism. Initially, I started my career with the Blue Prism. After that, I switched to UiPath, means as a support engineer. Means from there only I migrated to the means developer role, and I started my career means journey. I have three means total. I have 5 years of 5+ of years of experience. In UiPath, around 4 years of experience I have. Uh, just means I want to deep dive into the document understanding, like some SAP kind of API integration. SAP means I work with the HR team. Most of the automations I did on PDF and Excel automations only. I'm not completely aware of document understanding and all. That's why I plan to join the session, means the class. Uh,
Sure.
yes, Raghav.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Okay, guys, I think covered everyone. Couple of people joined from previous sessions. Srilata. Okay. I think I'm good. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining the session, for your valuable time. Thank you. Let's connect tomorrow again morning at 8 a.m. Okay. Please feel free to share with any of your friends, colleagues, relatives who really still looking for job opportunities or learning this kind of emerging technologies. Okay. We'll give you some referral bonus as well once they join. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Let's connect tomorrow morning at same time. Bye bye.
Raghava, one more question.
Yes.
Once regular classes starts, can it be from 8 to 10 instead of 7:30? I have concern with the timings.
Yes. I have confirmed that I'll take from 8 to 10.
Regular classes.
Yeah, regular also will take 8 to 10. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.
Thank you all.
Shivan, you can stop recording.